Hey y'all, I'm Jeremy, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for, and set up your Country Everywhere industry profile in under 10 minutes. You either click the join now here or join now here. We're just going to hit the join now, and we're going to put in page 1. We have to select a member type. Now we're an industry member, and only members of LGBTQIA+, BIPOC, and disabled communities can be listed in the directory. So we're going to confirm that, and we're going to create an account. Just wait for a second, and once we get our confirmation, we're going to go check our email. And we're just going to refresh, and here we go. Hi, new member. And because it's passwordless login, all we have to do is click the link, and it's going to open up and take us right into our new account. We're going to first add a profile photo, so I'm just going to drag a photo in here, and then we're going to go Caucasian. And this is alt text for screen readers. So if we want to be accessible, we want to put alt text with our images. If you have an organization, this is if you're not a band or if you're not a performer. It's really designed for people that are neither of those things, because they're to be known as part of this organization. So we can just pop that in there. And then we can choose which community we belong to, or communities. So and we pop in a contact name, and then also the contact email. So this is not the same as necessarily as the email that you signed up with. This is just something, is just a contact email in case there's somebody, a representative or someone else you want. So, and here again, there's an option that on your site, on your actual profile page, people can send you messages. They have no access to the actual email address, but if you want to be contacted directly from the site, as some people have wanted to get a hold of people directly through the site before and contacted us, it's just a courtesy message that gets sent to you. And again, it's completely secure. So if you want that, you can just click this and get visitor messages from the site. State, country, and if you want, you can add your zip code or postal code, and this can be used later for Google Map kind of purposes. If we end up getting that fancy with this, that might be able to target things directly in your area or such like that. So here we go. Save those, got our confirmation, and that's it. Our account info is now set up. So we're just going to go over to this main profile here, and we're going to pick our occupation. So you can pick more than one. It's advisable, not more than 4. So I'm just going to choose 4 there, and then you want to choose one as your primary. So in this case, let's just do design development. Now I do have this set aside, and so I'm just going to pop this in here. This is a short file that's already been written. And then if you want to be contacted for particular things, you know, writing assignments or whatnot, or all kinds of, you know, background vocals, I don't know, whatever you want to be possibly contacted for, you can add that in the list here. Again, we want to be as specific as possible, because if people are looking through your profile, they're going to be looking for specific things about you. So we don't want to list everything and anything. Here we can list all the links for our own sites and everything else. So I'm just going to pop some links in here. Don't have Facebook, so here's Twitter, Instagram, and then there's instructions on how to get this YouTube playlist or a YouTube video and the Spotify embed. They're both embeds, and you can either use a list or you can use a specific video in these cases. So the choice is yours. Just follow the instructions on how which one you want to embed. And then you have the Bands in Town listing, which is just your Bands in Town name. And we're going to save those changes. And then we're going to go to Performing Musician. And here you can choose different genres that you belong to, if applicable. And you can add other genres as well. Same idea. If you want to add another genre, then you can use comma-separated genres. If you are in a band, then you can list your band members here. So band member 1, and same thing, band member 2. Here, this is more meant for musicians or solo performers. If you play an instrument or instruments, then you can choose them here. As opposed to if you're a band, you can also set up your own individual profile if you want to be contacted as an instrumentalist as well, so that it's not, people are being able to contact directly through the site who they're trying to reach, or they know what an individual band member can do. So highly recommend, if you are in a band, you can sign up for a industry profile for an individual as well. And you can put in another, I don't know if I spelled that right, and you can add people you worked with or influences. We're going to save those changes, and we're going to go view our live profile. And here is our live profile, and keep in mind, this is really designed to be done once, unless you want to change your profile picture and your bio. But if you keep your bio pretty standard and not all that specific time-wise, then you won't have to change your bio frequently. And then all of this will all be here for you. And that's it. We just signed up your profile, and it's also already live in the directory.